Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix Windows 10 setting not opening or not working in Windows 10. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, the first method is that first of all going to your start menu and right click and go to your PowerShell admin. Click on yes button to continue. After opening that, the first of all copy the first command. It's available into the video description. Now copy it, go to your it and paste it. After that press enter button. After completing that, type exit and exit the Windows PowerShell. The second method is that go to your right click on the start menu and go to your PowerShell admin. Click open it, and after doing this that copy the second command. It's available into the video description. Copy it and go to your and paste it and press enter. Now after completing that, type exit and exit the PowerShell. After doing this step, restart your computer, and I'm sure that after doing this step your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a third method. The third method is that go to your right click on settings and go to your Windows PowerShell admin. After opening that, type a sfc /scan now and press enter. When you click on press your enter, it's required of a few minutes to complete the process. After completing that, type a command is dism /online /cleanup -image /restore health and press enter. After doing this step, the process will be started after a few seconds, and it's required of a few minutes to complete the process. After completing that, type exit and exit the PowerShell. After doing this step, restart your computer, and I am sure that after restarting your computer your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a fourth method. The fourth method is that open any search engine and type a Windows 10 download. Click on the first link is Windows download Windows 10. Click on download tool now. Click on save button. After completing that, open it. Click on accept button. Select upgrade this PC now and click on the next button. When you click on the next button, it's required of a few hours to complete the process. After completing the process, your computer automatically restart and your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.